Welcome children, continuity of the lesson on the face of it by Susan Hill. Children, in my last class, I told you that Derry told Mr. Lamb about a woman. That woman was with another woman. That woman had gone by him in the street. He was at the at a bus stop. That woman had looked at him and had passed a comment, and Derry had heard the comment, but had not liked the comment of that woman. Mr. Lamb, so you believe everything you hear then? Now Mr. Lamb wants to know if he believes everything he hears, does he not try to ignore everything he hears? He should try to ignore everything he hears. It was cruel. Derry accepts that the comment made by that woman was cruel. It caused pain. Mr. Lamb, maybe not meant as such. Perhaps the meaning you have assigned to her comment is not the meaning she intended it to have. Just something said between them. Those ladies were talking, those women were talking, and it was just something said between them. Derry, only I heard it. I heard. Derry, I have already told you, is a negative minded boy. He emphasizes that only he heard it. He heard it. What had he heard? He had heard the comment made by that woman. Mr. Lamb, and is that the only thing you ever heard? See the interesting remark by Mr. Lamb. He wants to know if that were the only thing. He wants to know if that is the only thing he ever heard anyone say in your life. He wants to know if that was the only thing he ever heard anyone say in his life. Was that the only comment? Or he had heard something else also? Derry, oh no, I have heard a lot of things. He confesses that he had heard many things. Mr. Lamb, so now you keep your ears shut. Now, Mr. Lamb advises Derry to keep his ears shut. He does not want him to pay attention to everything he hears. Derry, you are peculiar. Peculiar means strange. Derry thinks that the old man is a peculiar old man. Old man is peculiar. You say peculiar things. He finds Mr. Lamb, the old man, saying peculiar, strange things. You ask questions I don't understand. He accepts that the questions asked by Mr. Lamb he does not understand. Mr. Lamb, I like to talk. Mr. Lamb accepts that he is interested in talking. Have company. He is interested in having a company. You don't have to answer questions. It is up to Derry, he says. If he wants to answer his questions, all right. If he doesn't want to answer his questions, no problem. You don't have to stop here at all. The gate is open. Now Mr. Lamb tells him if he wants to go out of the garden, he can do so because the gate is open. Derry, yes, but Derry is hesitating here. Derry is hesitating. Yes, but Mr. Lamb, I have a hive of bees behind those trees over there. he informed Dairy that he has got a hive of bees behind some trees at some distance. Some hear bees and they say bees buzz. Some people, after hearing bees, say that the bees are buzzing. They use the word buzz, B-U-Z-Z. But when you listen to bees for a long while, he tells Dairy that if he listens to bees for some time, they hum. They do not buzz, they hum. And what is the meaning of the word hum? According to the old man, Mr. Lamb, sing. He thinks that the he thinks that HUM hum or HUM hum means sing. I hear them singing. He hears the bees singing, my bees. They were his bees. They were, some call it buzz, some call it a humming sound. Some call it a buzzing sound, some call it a humming sound. Now, Dairy is so interested in his conversation with the old man that he has dropped the idea of going out of that garden. He wants to remain there. He wants to enjoy the company of that old man. Dairy, but I like it here. Earlier he emphasized that he wanted to go from the garden, but now note what he is saying, I like it here. He likes to remain there. I came in because I liked it. Why had he entered the garden? Because he had liked it. He had entered the garden because he had liked it. When I looked over the wall, he had looked over the wall and liked the garden. That is why he had decided to come inside the garden. Mr. Lamb, if you had seen me, you would not have come in. Mr. Lamb is sure. What is he sure of? If Dairy had seen him, Dairy would not have dared to come inside his garden. Thank you, children.